The big gray cat around the corner. Play all day when comes. Boy in the park is. If you had any problems understanding any of these sentences, you've come to the right place. These sentences have many words, capitalization, punctuation, and correct spelling, but they make absolutely no sense. How is that? This is because sentences in English need a few more things besides correct spelling and capitalization in order to become good, solid sentences that convey meaning. We cannot talk about good sentences without talking about subjects and verbs. A subject is a person or thing that performs the action of the verb. For example, let's take the short sentence Ali eats. Eats is the verb because it conveys action. Who is the one doing the eating? Who is the one doing the action? It is Ali. Therefore, Ali is the subject of the sentence. Verbs in English are words that tell us an action is being done. Generally, these actions can be of the body, like eating and playing, of the mind, like thinking and understanding, and of the heart, like wanting and loving. Every sentence in English must contain a subject and a verb in order to be considered good and solid. In the first example, the big gray cat around the corner, we have what? We have a subject, the big gray cat, but we have no idea of what the cat is doing. There is no verb, and thus the sentence doesn't carry much meaning. How can we fix it? We could say, the big gray cat around the corner is sitting quietly. What about the second example? Play all day when come. What's the problem here? The problem here is we have actions, but we don't know who's doing them. We're missing the subjects. How can we fix it? We can say, children play all day when the snow comes. What about the third example? Boy in the park is. In this case, we have a subject and a verb, but the idea isn't complete. Perhaps we can change the order of the words to make the sentences clearer, like, the boy is in the park. So in order to write a good English sentence, we must have three things. 1, a subject, 2, a verb, and 3, a clear and complete idea. All three of these things are essential, and all of them must be present in any given sentence. Visit us for more details on how to avoid writing fragments in English, how to make sure our sentences have complete ideas, and much more. Please join our Facebook group.